before you go any further in the training, I want you guys to make sure you're set up with the right systems to help you succeed. And part of that is a Google Voice number and setting up a Gmail account that's connected to your business. I'll explain the Google Voice thing here in the different training right after this. But this one is going to be more about the email. Now, you don't need to go buy a domain. You don't need to go get a website set up or do anything on WordPress. You can if you want. That's great, but you just don't need to. Something as simple as skyboxhomes@gmail.com or ultimatehomes@gmail.com. Whatever it is, at a gmail.com will suffice. It's all that you need. And I want it to be different than your personal email, and one that whenever something hits that inbox, you know that it's money, right? It's a lead, it's a transcript from a voice, a call sign, a sign from a call, from whatever it is. So set it up, get that done. Let us know whenever you get that email set up. Let me know on the next video when you get the Google Voice set up. Those are two very, very critical parts to setting up your business and taking ownership.